Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Guide Forever and welcome to this tutorial. So, are you tired of Steam booting every single time you turn on the PC? Because if you're not, I am. It just basically makes me crazy as well sometimes. And how do we fix this issue? That's the main question we gather here. So let's just go through the steps 1 to 3 and I'll show you everything that you need to know. So step number 1, let's go to Windows Taskbar and click on this little arrow pointing upwards. This will basically just bring up all the running applications that are in standby position. Step number 2. Then let's right click on Steam icon to bring up a menu and let's hit settings. Step number 3. In settings menu we navigate to interface column and let's uncheck run Steam when my computer starts. And then let's make sure to hit OK as well to save the changes. And well, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video. There is nothing much to it other than that. You just hit OK and you save it, and then the next time your computer will boot up, it will no longer show the Steam, booting as well.